Okay, so question 3. What is the name of H2S? Okay, so let's analyze our compound. We have 2 hydrogens and a sulfur. So we know that because these are 2 nonmetals, we have a binary covalent compound. So it's always important to know the type of compound we have, because depending on the type, like the different rules for naming it varies. So step 1 is to name your first element. And typically if it's more than 1, we like to name the prefix. And then for the second part, we just name the second element. With the prefix, just to show how many atoms there are of that element. And then this is going to end in "ide." Okay, so I'll also quickly write down what all the prefixes are. So 1 is mono, 2 is di, 3 is tri, 4 is tetra, 5 is penta, 6 is hexa, 7 hepta, 8 is octa, 9 is nona, and 10 is deca. These can be pretty easy to memorize. And now let's look at our example. We have 2 atoms of hydrogen. So we first write dihydrogen. And then our second element is sulfur. So we just write, well, we start to write sulfur. And we know it's going to end in "ide." So you kind of tweak it so that it sounds good. And it'll just end in sulfide. So this compound is known as dihydrogen sulfide. And sometimes it's more commonly known as just hydrogen sulfide. So sometimes it's assumed that 2 hydrogens will react with the sulfur, since sulfur has an oxidation state of -2. So that's why it's not entirely necessary to write the prefix, but both answers would be correct. So if we look at the options they give us, dihydrogen sulfide is on the list. So we can say that the answer is A. And the junior tutor said that the name of H2S is dihydrogen sulfide. H2S is a covalent compound that is composed of 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 sulfur. In naming covalent compounds, the more electronegative atom, placed on the rightmost, is replaced by "ide" as its suffix. Okay, so this solution is correct.